Yo, what's up mga ka-blind explorer? Welcome back, welcome sa aking YouTube channel. And for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng A Blind Legend. So, paano nga ba mag-install ng A Blind Legend? Ang A Blind Legend pala guys ay isang games na ginawa para sa mga visually impaired. So, bago tayo magsimula, kung hindi pa nga nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, mag-subscribe ka na. So, yun, simulan natin.
Hi everyone, welcome to Sprite Blind Explorer TV.
Before watching this video, please like, share and subscribe.
Thanks.
Explorer. Ayan mga ka-blind explorer. So, ang una nyong gagawin, pupunta kayo muna sa Chrome. Or any browser naman. So, dito tayo sa Chrome. Ayan. And search natin dito yung A Blind Legend. Wait lang, i-ano ko na lang guys. Search natin. So, iba-search ko na lang. A Blind Legend. Ayan. Ayun na guys. Oops, mali. Clear natin yan. Ayan na guys.
According to Wikipedia, A Blind Legend is an action-adventure audio game.
So, ayan. So, kailangan... nakalimutan ko guys. Dalawang apps yung i-install natin. Yung isa yung apps na gagamitin natin pang install ng A Blind Legend. At yung isa yung A Blind Legend mismo. Ayan, install na natin. Ayan. So, ito yung una yung ito yung unang website na lalabas. So, ito yung i-double tap nyo. Yan. Yan. Oops. Information connection is secure. Back button. Place home button. Search home game. Edit more quick. Change right here. Show adult content edit free. Up to 20,000. Download. Reviews. Right parent. Reviews. 9. Left parent. 3.7. And 4. Android version. Size. 310 downloads. 3K plus downloads. So download. Ay, hindi. 310 size. Android 4.2. Android version. 3. Left parent. 9. Right parent. Age rated graph. PD3. Download. 1.2.4. Download. So yan, download natin. Open the home page button. Download again button. Cancel button. Download again button. So download natin yan. Download 5 new notifications from Chrome A Blind Legend. 1 app download complete 10.17 MB. So ayan. Home button. Na-download na natin yung file na kailangan natin. So punta na tayo sa files. Search for audio game button. O di kaya sa my files. Music, my files. My auto. My files. Dito tayo sa my files. So andito na yan. My files. So andito na yan guys. So, hanapin natin yung A Blind Legend. So, nandito na yan sa APK.
Not installed. The Blind Legend. Installed. Not installed. The Blind Legend. 1.app app games 10.2 MB version. 1.10.0.
So, ito siya.
Unknown. Cancel button. Install button. App games.
So, ito yung games, unang apps na i-install natin.
You want to app
Wait
games.
lang, yan ito.
ETS rate. Pages. Words. Characters. Vertical navigation. Characters. S Sierra. Echo. M Mike. Alpha. Capital T Golf. Space. Echo. D Delta. I India. Prosper. D Tango. D Papa. Capital Alpha. Install button.
So, ayan. So, install na natin.
Words. Pages. ETS rate. Default. App games. Install button.
Install.
App games.
Yan. So, yan yung una nating i-install. Take note pala guys, ang A Blind Legend is merong 300 plus megabytes. So, kailangan malaki yung storage ng phone
App
para
games.
ma-install. Ayan na siya.
App install. A button.
So,
My files.
yan.
Home
So,
button.
home screen na tayo.
TikTok. Message. Facebook. Music Lab. Cigar. Home launcher. Blind Cricket. Spotify made. Speaking clock. App games.
So, ito na siya. Open natin yan.
Notification from Messenger visually impaired group sparkling heart. Justine Joy /app and microphone send a voice message.
Oops. So, pasensya na pala kayo guys, hindi ako makapaglaro ngayon ng A Blind Legend dahil iba ang, wala na tayong time.
You want to install it. A Blind Legend 3.7. Install.
So, i-install natin to. Ayan, install natin yan.
Please go to settings. Settings.
So, settings muna tayo. Take note pala guys, medyo matagal-tagal to.
App games 1. Allow from this source off.
So, dapat naka-on. And,
Your phone and personal. Navigate button.
navigate na tayo
App
dyan.
games. Code sheet. A Blind Legend 0% of 310.6 MB.
Ayun no, 300, wait, check
Cancel.
natin.
A Blind Legend 7% of 310.6 MB.
Yun,
A Blind Legend
310,
15% of 310.6.
310.6 MB. So, mataas na mataas talaga siya.
A Blind Legend 27% of 310.6 MB.
Ayan.
A Blind Legend 31% of 310.6 MB.
Yan, mataas
A Blind
kasi
Legend
yung
35% of 310.6 MB. A Blind Legend 38% of 310.6 MB. A Blind Legend 42% of 310.6 MB.
yan, malapit
A
na.
Blind Legend 47% of 310.6 MB. A Blind Legend 52% of 310.6 MB. A Blind Legend 57% of 310.6 MB. A Blind Legend 60% of 310.6 MB. A Blind Legend 65% of 310.6 MB. A Blind Legend 70% of 310.6 MB. A Blind Legend 74% of 310.6 MB. A Blind Legend 78% of 310.6 MB.
Ayan na,
A Blind Legend
malapit na
82%
guys.
of 310.6
Ayan
MB.
na. Nag-i-install
A
na
Blind
siya.
Legend 87% of 310.6 MB. A Blind Legend 91% of 310.6 MB. A Blind Legend 95% of 310.6 MB. A Blind Legend 98% of 310.6 MB. A Blind Legend installing.
Ay, sige na lang pala guys. Maglalaro na lang pala ako. Kaya pa to. May time naman.
Code sheet. Do you want to install A Blind Legend installing? Code sheet. A Blind Legend. Do you want to install this game? A Blind Legend installing. Code sheet. A Blind Legend. Code sheet. Do you want to install this game? A Blind Legend
So,
installing.
kapag na-install nyo naman guys yung A Blind Legend, pwede nyo nang i-delete yung update games. Ayun na. Oops. Wait
Cancel
lang.
button. Do you want to install this app? Cancel button. Install button. A Blind Legend. Do you want to cancel button? Install button.
So, install lang natin yan.
App play games. Installing. Code sheet. Do you want to install this game? A Blind Legend installing. Code sheet. Do you want
So,
to install this game?
installing na daw. So, hintayin lang natin.
Code sheet. This game. A Blind Legend installing.
Tapos, titingnan na lang natin yung mga permissions.
Code sheet. Do you want to install?
So,
Code
ayan.
sheet. Do you want to install this game? Button.
So, ayan. Install. Installed na daw. So, ayun mga ka-Blind Explorer, nagbabalik tayo. So, ang gagawin muna natin, i-off natin yung G-Show. Lang.
Accessibility button. Accessibility button.
So, i-on na muna natin yung talkback para madali nating ma-access si Blind Legend.
Talkback on.
Ayan na.
Voice changer with effects. YouTube folder video tip messenger. Facebook. System launch. Music lab. VidMate. RAR. Home launch. Blind grid. Spotify. Speak and clock. App point games. A blind legend.
So,
App point
kapag
games.
na-install nyo naman yung,
A blind legend. App point
kapag
games.
na-install nyo na yung, ito.
A blind app point games.
Ayan, pag na-install nyo yung A Blind Legend, pwede nyo itong
Selected. App info.
i-delete.
Short. Selected. Selected. Edit. Selected. Remove. Selected. Uninstall.
So, yan, install na lang natin to.
Uninstall app point games. Uninstalling app point. Cancel.
Ayan, okay na yan.
Play Store.
So, pwede na nating laruin yung A Blind Legend. Oops, medyo naglalag
Voice changer with a
pala.
folder. YouTube has one note. Folder video tip.
Ayan, medyo mahirap talaga pag
Messenger.
back.
Facebook. VidMate. RAR. Home launcher. Blind cricket. Spotify made. Speak and clock. A blind legend.
So, open na natin si A Blind Legend. Ayan. Ayan na siya. So, excited na ako laruin siya. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga settings guys, pero hindi na ako maglalaro muna. Next game na lang.
Okay. Button.
So, i-okay nyo lang yan.
A blind legend. This app was built. Check for update. Okay.
Okay.
Allow a blind legend to access photos, videos. Don't allow. Allow. Allow.
So, i-allow natin yan.
A blind legend.
Ayan na. Lakasan natin yung volume.
Using ETI Eloquence TTS.
A Blind Legend is an audio game. Make sure you have properly equipped your headset. Double tap on the screen to
Oops,
continue.
i-off pala natin ang talkback.
Talkback on.
So, double tap
You
natin.
should hear this voice on the left. Double tap on the screen. English. Double tap on the screen.
So, ito na siya, si A Blind Legend.
Domino. France Culture. Supported by le Centre National du Cinéma et de l'Image Animée, La Région Rhône-Alpes, Luminous, and Imaginov. Present.
So, papakita ko lang dito sa inyo guys yung settings.
A Blind
Ayan na.
Legend.
So, ito siya.
Loading.
Ayan, loading pa daw.
Welcome to A Blind Legend. To select an element, double tap on the screen.
So,
To return to the previous elements, slide your finger upwards. To go back to the main menu from the game, slide 2 fingers quickly to the right. You cannot go back to the main menu during a fight. Main menu. New
ito na.
game.
New game.
Change language.
Change language.
Settings. My remaining. Buy live. Credits. Sign up to quit.
So, quit na
Do
natin
you
to.
really want to quit A Blind Legend?
Okay na guys, so na-quit na natin. So, ayun lang guys. Sana natuwa kayo sa ating video. Hindi ko nalaro ngayon yung Blind Legend, pero next time laruin natin. Pag susunod ko na lang na video. Madali lang naman laruin yun.
Notification. Chrome 10 minutes. Clear all silent mode. Chrome 10 minutes ago. Pause. Stop. Pause. Vid recorder like 4 minutes ago. Pause. Stop.
So, ayun lang guys. See you next video na. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa akin channel guys, subscribe na kayo.